Ich schaue in mein Wallet und was muss ich sehen? Suby. Suby ist ein On-Chain-Zahlungsprozessor für Kryptowährungen, der speziell für bezahlte Communities in Bereichen wie Wetten, Trading und Alpha-Gruppen auf Plattformen wie Discord und Telegram entwickelt wurde. Das Projekt ermöglicht es Community-Betreibern wiederkehrende Abonnements, sogenannte Subscriptions und Einmalzahlungen nahtlos in Krypto zu akzeptieren, ohne dass die Nutzer die Plattform verlassen müssen. Es zielt also darauf ab, Communities zu skalieren, indem es Tools für die Akquise, Bindung und Monetarisierung von Mitgliedern bietet. Der native Token Suby dient als Utility-Token für Referrals und Boosts. Suby wurde entwickelt, um bestehende Bots wie PaymentBot oder ISOBot zu ersetzen und hat betont niedrige Gebühren, 1,5% pro Transaktion, Multi-Chain-Support und schnelle Migration. Bereits über 100 Communities haben gewechselt und das Projekt positioniert sich als Tool für den Übergang von 0 zu 10.000 pro Monat Umsatz pro Gruppe. Es ist noch in einer frühen Phase mit Fokus auf Wachstum durch Features wie Analytics, Dashboards und Link in Bio. Aber genug von mir. Denn heute mache nicht ich das Deep Dive. Ich habe mir tatkräftige Unterstützung geholt und wer könnte euch besser erklären, was Suby ist, als der Founder selber. Gab kommt aus Frankreich, deswegen werden wir das Interview in Englisch führen. Ich habe euch aber für die Leute, die kein Englisch sprechen, die Untertitel eingeblendet. Deswegen heißt mit mir herzlich willkommen Gab von Suby. Alright Gab, nice to have you here. Thank you for making it to my channel. First up, I would like for the audience to know, please tell us who is Gab.
Thanks for having me, man. Really appreciate your time and to be here today. So nice to meet you all. I'm Gab. I'm 28 years old. I'm engineer from France, and I'm in crypto since 2020. Previously, I was working at Louis Vuitton and leading the crypto department for them. So I built all the strategy with the departments for crypto. We built an NFT project and collection to link physical products and digital assets as an NFT to create a very exclusive community around exclusive products and exclusive experiences events. And just after this experience for 3 years, I just thought myself to build a company. And during my studies, I was also a sneaker reseller. So I had a Discord channel, a Discord group with members that pay for subscription to have information about sneakers reselling. And I've made quite good money at that time during COVID, 2020 and 2021. And so during the Louis Vuitton experiences, I had the possibility also to build the Kryptopayments rates for the product and the project we just built as the NFT collection. And during this experience, I just have in mind to build something similar for one pain I had at the time as a sneaker reseller in my Discord paid community, to just automate flows, payments in crypto for people like me that just own a community for different type of stuff. Can be trading, can be betting, can be reselling some stuff, can be courses. You can be a coach that sell course for sports, for example. And yeah, I just thought about it. I saw different type of competition around these markets. They are pretty well-known names in these creators markets, like Patreon, like WAP, like Gumroad. And in the crypto ecosystem, there is not so much competition and not so much well and great products. So I built the foundation of this, and it's Suby. Suby is a payment processor for Discord and Telegram communities that want to just accept crypto payments. And it's just a foundation of a future great and big vision. So the foundation is to just process payments in crypto for people like you. You have a big community, a private community, a paid community. You want to sell memberships. You can process in crypto with Suby. You want to attract new members. So you can do it through free trials, discount codes, link in bio. You want to retain them, so you can do with reminders, referrals, and things like this, and monetize through crypto payments. The next step, and maybe we'll just have the time to just explore, is to have a broader audience and not just crypto payments. With all the payments we have in mind for global payments, and just transform Suby as a small payment processor to a financial infrastructure for creators and independents.
Nice. Quite a roadmap you got there.
Yeah.
What are the main differences to other bots like Payment Bot or ISOBot?
Yeah, so for Payment Bot and ISOBot, it's the only processor exists was Patreon and WAP. So they can process payments with cards or different type of solution for Web2 payments. But crypto was a little bit a mess for them. Patreon just banned crypto payment from their ecosystem, and WAP processed with Coinbase Commerce, which is very limited in terms of features. The only way you can use Payment Bot and ISOSub is to deposit from a wallet, an address. So in EVM, they have Base, Binance Smart Chain, Ethereum, Arbitrum, or Solana. So as a user, you can just deposit funds, and you will have a notification from the bot itself to just notify you that you received the role. And then at the end of the membership, for example, 1 month after, you will receive a reminder. So ISOSub and Paymentos are the same features. The thing is, in terms of payment, it's pretty limited. You have a range of token, so it's only Sol, USDC, and ETH, and it's only wallet limited. We have these functionalities, and we have also different type of payment method. So we have connect wallets. As a user, you can connect your wallet, sign a transaction. For people that don't want to just deposit and send money to a bot that just don't have so much traceability for your deposits. And we have also smart deposits. As a user, you can just deposit from wallet and exchange. And this is very important because in the crypto market, 46% of users have crypto on exchange. So they want to spend their crypto from exchange. So we give this possibility thanks to smart deposits with Suby. So this is the really basic features of our payments. And the thing is, as a paid community, you want to attract new members. So we build some features like Krypto directly on Discord. So as a user, you have the possibility to subscribe through Suby to this paid group. You will have the possibility to have a free trial. And it's not limited to one people. It's if you want to give free trial for everyone for maybe 1 day or 7 days or all months, you can do through the pay link and it will be really automated. The second thing is discount code. You cannot create discount code through payment bots and ISOSub. With Suby, it's fully automated. You can create specific discount code. For example, you just put in your announcement 30% this month, and with this code, you can just put it in the pay link. Or you can have also specific discount code for KOL, for friends and family, for people from your team. The third thing is also for payment bots and ISOSub, it's cool to process inside Discord, but how you promote your payment subscription outside Discord. Mm-hmm. That's why we created 2 options for our users, a bot that processes payments inside Discord and pay link that can be shareable in bio, in messages, in Twitch, YouTube, Instagram, X, whatever you want. You can just share your pay link and people just check the subscription, the setup, and can subscribe like every SaaS business that have a subscription model. Nice. So this is the main comparison for attract, and then for retain member with a public referral program, like, okay, we will share 20% of all revenue from our plan, or for specific members, like, okay, this KOL is very well known. It can bring a lot of users to my paid community. I will just give him 40% personally with the referral program. And this is fully automated with payouts instant, and we are taking no fees, no extra fees on top of this. Maybe the third thing very interesting is payment bots and sub is 3% fees. We are at 1.5% in terms of fees.
Nice.
So 3% is because at that time when they launched the product, they had no competition. But for the features they gave you as admin and paid community owner, 3% is really huge because Kryptopayments is instant without fees. And for example, Stripe is 3% for processing payments. But Stripe had a lot of fees, a huge team, have also MasterCard and Visa fees on top of this.
Yes.
So 3% is okay. 3% in crypto is really huge. That's why we just decrease the fees to 1.5%, because we are really convinced that it's a fair pricing in terms of product and features we just provide to our group owners, rather than to have 3% to just process payment and give a roll.
Yeah, sounds great. You offer a lot of variety for a lesser price.
Yeah.
Great. And Suby has launched recently, but you already migrated several communities to Suby. What are some real-world success stories from these groups? Can you tell us some intel? How has Suby helped them grow?
Yeah. So basically, we launched the first version of the product back in end of April and the beginning of May. Mm-hmm. At the beginning, it was really simple. You just, as a member, only can subscribe through wallet connection with a signature of your wallet on base with ETH and USDC. So it was really, really basic. We didn't have any discount codes, any free trial, any referrals. It was just a pay link with basic design. And we just launched this product, have no user at that time, and the first group just integrates Suby without any code outreach. And at that time we said, okay, I think we just solved a pain point for him. So I asked different questions to him and said, yeah, I don't like payment bots. I want to share links. I want to have a base USDC and ETH with a cool branding. And that's why I just integrate Suby. And weeks after weeks, we had several new communities coming to Suby without cold outreach. So most of our communities right now came organically. So we just don't cold outreach them. And since the past maybe 3 or 4 weeks, we are starting cold outreach because we are convinced that the product is now quite good and we have all the features to compete with payment bots and sub. We have recently our first community owner that just grew from 0 to 10K a month with Suby. And a lot of communities switch from payment bots to Suby, and we receive a lot of just messages to say, man, Suby is awesome. And with Suby, you will have data on all the transactions, all your members, all your revenue, your monthly revenue, your weekly revenue. You can also create discount code very fastly. And this is why people love so much Suby, because it's really easy and built for growth. Built to grow your community thanks to dashboards, and we constantly improve the flow, improve the features based on feedback. We are working a lot, 7 days 7, to just build the best product for our users. And our mission is really to do this. And in crypto, it's difficult because as a payment processor, you need to be trustable. You need to have trust from your user as a stranger. So every time now when I call outreach people, I'm saying, I'm doxed. You can check my name on Google, on X, on LinkedIn. You have all the information needed to just trust Suby. And at the beginning, for some communities, it was really hard to just have an exchange. I was banned instant from Discord because I provide some information about new tools and people think it is a scam. But weeks after weeks, months after months, they just have understand that we are here to stay and build for them. We are here to just build the best product as possible for this community. We are here to win this market.
Yes, this is the right mindset.
Yeah,
exactly. So you mentioned the referrals, and you have the Suby token, and
yep.
It's positioned as utility for these referrals. Could you elaborate on its tokenomics?
Yeah, so as a user, you can earn a part of our fees if you just refer new groups or new members from your current group to Suby. Mm-hmm. And we want to really incentive this referral program and members linked to our token. So we launched a token with Believe app. It's a well-known now launchpad in Solana for startups and real products at the beginning of this year, and it just exploded. And the supply is fully available. So it's 1 billion tokens. From every buy and just sell, we are taking a fees. It's from the Meteora pool. So it's just the process as Believe just created. So as a creator of the token, you will earn some fees from buy and sell. This fees is split into Suby token and Solana. So we are keeping the Suby token as just supply for the project, the team, the future incentive. And we are just converted the SOL into USDC to have treasury for the product, for the project and for the company. That's why we just hired different type of person and developers to help Suby grow. And for the referral program, what we have in mind, it's based on the staking or the holding of our token. You will increase the fees you can earn for the referral program. Let's me explain maybe. Okay, I'm a famous KOL. I'm in the program referral in crypto of Suby, and I refer a new big groups. Mm-hmm. These groups made like 100K per month in terms of volume. So for Suby, it's 1.5K per month for this group only. Mm-hmm. If you just if you don't hold any token Suby or don't stake any token Suby, you will earn maybe 10 or 15% of the fees.
Nice.
If you stake or hold Suby token for a certain duration, you can increase based on the number. You will earn 20, 25, 30, 35% of the fees we provide. So it can be really win-win, and it's for 1 year minimum, and depending on the volume they bring, we can just increase the limit. So this is why we really want to connect the Suby token to the referral program. And what we have in mind also is to, based on volume we made on the product, do sort of buyback burn on the supply to increase the price, because if we buy all the supply, there will be the Suby token will be very rare and scarce. Mm-hmm. It's a great tools to incentivize people to just buy Suby token, keep Suby token, because we really want to just link everything we have with the Suby token to just be the reflection of the success of the company.
Very nice. If you have one moment, I will get my wallet and get some Suby tokens after I heard about the tokenomics. It's really great.
Yeah.
Really great. And things you have planned for the future are great as well. Let us talk a little bit about your team. Yeah. I've heard it is a small group, but very experienced. And are you planning to expand the team in the near future?
Yeah, so basically in the team we are 2 founders. So my CTO is well experienced in payments, in crypto payments. He's developer in crypto since 2019. So 6 years in crypto. He built a lot of DeFi products, a lot of payments in crypto products on Telegram bots, Discord bots. So he have all the experiences to build something big in terms of infrastructure for Suby. We are working together since on this product since February, and we are known each other since 2 years now, working on different side projects, and we share the same vision of how to build a company, to iterate fast, ship fast, create something that people want. And it's basic in entrepreneurship in startups, but we just keep this mantra, this sentence in our mind every day, every week. Just see people that want in terms of features, in terms of product, and understand also the needs and transform this into features. So we just started with just 2 founders, my CTO and myself. At the beginning, we hired also a developer to create all the Solana contracts, because my CTO is more EVM side for Base, Ethereum, and so on. So a guy just developed the Solana contract. And now we are 5. So there is a full stack developer that helps from all the things we have. A UX, UI designer just joined the team this week, because for now, our branding is cool. We have the name Suby. I love the name. The logo is very cool, but it's not at the level that I want in terms of branding, in terms of messages, in terms of impact. I came from luxury fashion brand, so I know where I can just reach this level of quality in terms of branding, marketing. Overall UI design, we reach maybe 40% of our potential. And this guy is really great at UI design and UX, and he will just reach Suby to 100% in terms of our capabilities. And we have also hired recently a guy for SEO and Reddit growth. So in the next few months, we'll be number 1 in terms of SEO research on Google. We are really convinced that there are so much communities all over the world that can just have the possibility to process payments in crypto. And maybe it's your next question, but the thing is, at this moment, we are focused on crypto payments, but really soon, in the next few days or weeks, it will be also available with card payments. So we will just compete with the competitor we have in Web2 world, like Patreon, Gumroad, WAP, with this new feature. And we are really convinced that we have a lot of just moat to build an infrastructure that this kind of companies can't, because they are not aware about certain things that we are. It's the borderless payments. Because when you are Patreon or Warp or Gumroad, you are a Stripe wrapper. So you have the processing of payments, but behind the scene, it's just Stripe. They built a lot of stuff. They are just companies and platforms are very nice. We are really admirative from all the work they do. And I met the team this summer in New York. We exchanged a lot about Suby, about WAP, and how we can maybe work together. And now we have the key to just compete with them, to have broader audience with a new design system about payments between card payment and stablecoin. And this is a vision I will just share by the end of this month about what's next for Suby, what's next for the vision, and why we can compete with all these giants and multi-billion companies with a new kind of financial infrastructure for creators and independents all over the world.
In this competitive landscape that you talked about, what challenges have you faced in building Suby so far?
I think the main issue we had is that we built a lot of stuff very fast. And when a user asked at the beginning for a feature, it was in terms of days. So we need discount code. Okay, in 3 days we'll have a discount code. And we hire a lot of different developers to help us to build faster. So currently we have the same team for the next month. But before we had different type of developers, some friends, that we just help us on the product. Some freelance we didn't well know for certain things, and we just build a product that is now a little bit complex in terms of infrastructure and code, and we made mistakes because we built very fast some features, but didn't think about in some way the UX. In the links between different features. So when now we need to launch a new features, there are a lot of links between all of this in the code, and it takes it's very time consuming to check, okay, if I put these new features, I want to make sure that it will not break the code for this. Yeah. And in the past weeks, it's an issue we had because we just constantly ship features, and we didn't take the time to just check the code and said, okay, it's a little bit a mess. Take a break and see how we can just fix all of this and make the code clearer to have a better code base to just ship with the same maybe. With the same flow and the same just delays, but in a better way.
These challenges are very hard to overcome, but I think with your team and the passion, it's no problem.
Yeah, totally.
Yes, I had one last question, but you already answered it. So I would like to know your goals and vision for the upcoming months, but you already talked about maybe a partnership with Whoop.
Yeah, maybe I can share a little bit in the long-term vision. So basically today, if you have a pet community, for example, in China or in Mexico or in South Africa or in Eastern Europe, what is the payment processor that you will use? So as a user, I will just make some research about just products that exist, like Patreon, Warp, Gumroad. But the thing is, these products can process payments, but they are really focused on the US and the Europe. They have the functionalities to maybe process payments in different countries because it's Stripe behind, But the reality is, and I talked with hundreds of users on Reddit, on X, on Telegram and Discord, they blocked payments because of the border. And they have a lot of fees to convert the local currencies, to accept payments, to just send the money to their local bank. So this is an issue. And that's why the way we designed the next steps for Suby in terms of payment infrastructure unlocked this market that just Patreon, WAP, and Gumroad can go, thanks to stablecoin. And the way we design it will just open the creator economy for Chinese economy, for Mexican economy, for South African economy, community, sorry. And this is why I'm really excited about this future, because as a merchant, as a creator, you will be able to process payments in card and crypto, receive stablecoin, spend this stablecoin with card all over the world, earn a yield based on your volume. So maybe I just I have a community, I made 10K per month. This money will just send to my personal wallet, but I can also just put it in the Suby wallet and earn yield on it every month. We can't just spend our money like we want, because we have cards, we have Apple Pay, we have PayPal. It's really easy. But as an Indian, as a Chinese, you cannot just spend your money like you want to buy services online. It's really constrained about banks, about your card. And a lot of people in the world are just unbanked or have a card, but they have less features that provided from the product online. So what we will bring with Suby is a new type of financial infrastructure to the creator economy and independent that just want to monetize their business, to just process payments, earn yield, and spend what they want, what they earn from based on their business.
Whew. Great vision. Great vision.
Thanks, man.
Gab, I thank you so much for your time, and I wish you all the luck in the world that you achieve these goals. I will do my part. I will support you. You have my full support. We worked the last weeks together, and I saw what you're capable of. And I think with this mindset and your compassion, I think you will reach those goals easily. And
thanks, man.
I hope we can work together for a long time and make Suby the #1 payment solution for all Discords and Telegram.
Absolutely, man. Thank you so much for having me. It was a real pleasure to talk about Suby, the vision, and answer your question.
You're welcome. Have a good day, my friend.
Have a good day. Bye-bye.
Bye. Das war also unser heutiger Deep Dive zu Suby, dem neuen On-Chain-Zahlungsprozessor, den wir ab sofort auch in unserem Kryptonit-Discord integriert haben. Ab jetzt könnt ihr eure Mitgliedschaftsbeiträge ganz einfach in Krypto bezahlen. Schnell, sicher und ohne den Server zu verlassen. Wir freuen uns riesig über diesen Schritt, denn Suby bringt uns nicht nur mehr Flexibilität, sondern auch echte Krypto-Vibes direkt in unsere Community. Und das ist noch nicht alles, Freunde. Nächste Woche starten wir offiziell unseren zweiten YouTube-Kanal Decentralife. Sichert euch jetzt schon den Zugang, der Link ist in der Videobeschreibung, und aktiviert die Glocke, damit ihr die ersten Videos nicht verpasst. Denn dort dreht sich alles um DeFi-Strategien, neue Plattformen und Low-Cap-Gems. Also perfekt für alle, die schon tiefer in den Space eintauchen wollen. Damit haben wir jetzt aber nicht nur auf YouTube eine klare Trennung geschaffen. Auch im Discord eröffnen wir nun einen neuen Decentralife-Bereich. Wir haben also jetzt die Kryptonit Academy für alle, die gerade mit Krypto starten und schnell verstehen wollen, und für Fortgeschrittene den Decentralife-Bereich, die mit uns zusammen in den Bereichen DeFi, Yield, Alpha und eventuell auch bald Trading wachsen wollen. Trading ist noch nicht ganz sicher, ich bin da in Gesprächen mit richtig guten Tradern, aber wir werden sehen, was es bringt. Wir entwickeln uns also ständig weiter, von der Education Community zur echten Web3 Growth Plattform. Danke an die bestehenden Leute, die jetzt schon ein Teil davon sind und an alle Neuen, die dazukommen wollen. Denn das hier ist erst der Anfang. In diesem Sinne, Leute, ich wünsche euch jetzt noch einen schönen Tag. Danke für die Aufmerksamkeit. Und wenn du einen eigenen Discord oder eine Telegram-Gruppe hast und noch einen Zahlungsbot suchst, der einfach super zu integrieren ist, richtig günstig und einfach mega cool, dann wirf jetzt einen Blick auf Suby. Bis dahin, Leute, schönen Sonntag, euer Cap. Ciao!